Hi, welcome to another Quick Tip Thursday. Hope everything is well with you today. If you don't know me, my name is Paulo and I'm here today to teach you how to use the surface tracker in Davinci Resolve Studio, because this only works in the studio version. It doesn't work, unfortunately, in the free version. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. So here we are in the computer. As you can see, I already have this footage of a couple walking in the nature, and I want to put my logo over here in this backpack. So you have two ways of doing it. You can do it in the color page or you can do it in the fusion page. But today I'm gonna teach you how to do it in the color page because it's faster and I think it's easier. So first you're gonna add here another node. After you add another node, come here and look for surface tracker and drag it over your node. Now you have the node. First let's find a place where we wanna put our reference. So I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and let's go to the bounds. If we have the bounds selected, so let's add our bounds. Let's click make here. Okay, we draw the bounds. Now after you draw the bounds, you can add more points like this. But now let's go to the mesh. In the mesh, you can increase the number of points and the minimum of spacing. If you decrease the minimum of space, it will put more, and if you increase, it will put less. So let's like this. Now let's go to the track. In the quality, let's change this to better. Now, since I'm not in the beginning, I'm gonna track forward and backwards. So let's go and track it. Finish tracking. Now let's come here to the result. And now let's add our logo. I have here one of my logos. I'm gonna put it over here. First, let's connect the green to the green and the first alpha output, the blue, to the last one over here. Now let's come to the surface tracker node again. Let's come here to where it says overlay. Let's go to the reference point, and you can see now that it has this square over here that is the size of our logo. So let's reduce this a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in. Let me put this a little bit smaller because it's too big. A little bit more. See what I'm doing. Okay. Like this. As you can see, you can adjust the corners and adjust whatever like you want. So it's okay. Now you can hide this. And now let's come here to the composite, and I like to use overlay. You can use different, you can use subtract, you can use whatever you want, but my preferred way is overlay. So let's zoom out, and if we play it, you can see that this is perfectly in the backpack. And now if you go to the edit page, yeah, it's the same. So as you can see, it's very easy and very quick, and it has a lot of potential. So you can use it, and I encourage you to use it and try it and test it. And if you have any doubts, just ask me, leave down below in the comments, that I will have the pleasure to answer you. So I hope you learned something with this, and if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I will launch a video like this one. Until then, bye!